2012 to 2016 Chevy Cruze alternator replacement. The alternator is located in the back of the engine near the firewall. This is it right there. It got a connector in the back, one black connector, and a 13 mil for the positive cable. You need to remove that. I already did. And I'm about to remove the airbox, take the engine mount out, and the engine will be held by the jack, which is why I have it here. When you have your jack, make sure you have a piece of wood there so you don't put a hole in the engine oil pan. So let's go. As you guys can see, I have the engine sitting on the jack right now. It's slightly lifted, not too much. Let's remove the mass airflow sensor connector. It's out, and pop this off from the airbox out of the way, and remove the airbox duct, the air duct for this. That's a 7mm on each side. Actually, I'm just removing that one only, not removing it. I'll loosen it up. Loose. I took it off. Now let's just remove it, and it's out. The motor mount is held by 15mm bolt, about 6 15mm bolt. So with the 15, let's go. I got the motor mount out. Here it is right here. So I'm about to remove that bracket here, the motor mount bracket from the engine block. It's held by 3 15mm. I break them free with a 1/2" ratchet, so I'm using my Milwaukee here ratchet so I can take them off completely. And by the way, the engine is still held by the jack stand. It's loose. Let's remove the belt out of the way. I'm gonna use a tensioner. Take the tensioner off. Take some pressure off the belt with the tensioner. I'm using a E12 size socket. You can use a 10mm or 12mm, will work. But since I have the tube, the white tube for it, I'll just use it. You see, as you can see, the belt take the slack off. So I'm about to remove the tensioner now. Once again, those things are held by 14. Sorry, I said 12 earlier. It's E14. That's what it's held by. Let's break them free. I got the tensioner out of the way. It's held by 2 E14 bolts. Now let's remove the alternator. It should come up pretty easy. Those are 14 too. Okay, yep, E14. Should be up with this one. Here are the both 14 alternators. They're both the same F. They're E14. Let me check, hold on. If you have a 12mm, it would work too. If you don't have an E14, 10mm would work. Here is the old alternator. It's out. It was a pretty easy job. You use a pry bar to pry it off on the engine block. And I didn't post a video. I didn't make a video of me testing it. So if you guys want me to test, to know how to test alternator, if you guys want me to make a video on that, you can comment on that, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow my TikTok and Instagram page also. Alright. The installation is the reverse of removal, so it's just a straightforward job, to be honest. Nothing crazy. It's held in by a bunch of E14, E12, E10 bolt, and you have the tensioner. You remove the airbox out of the way and remove the motor mount. Before you take the motor mount off, make sure the engine is held by a jack. Yeah, that should be it, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.